clean, dirty. The dishwasher magnet that lets your family know don't put dirty dishes in here yet has been upgraded. This little magnet is the first thing I wanted to print way back when I got my first 3D printer. After, of course, all this awesome gaming related stuff. And, of course, after printer mods. So many printer mods. Anyways, a critique I got from 2 different people made me aware that with the single magnet on the back, the model can unintentionally flip fairly easy. I had only tested the magnet on my own dishwasher, but failed to consider dishwashers may have different levels of magnetic attraction. The Smile Frown magnet holds fine to this Samsung dishwasher, but it does spin with little effort. A review claimed that the magnet would flip or even fall off from just opening the door. Well, I've updated the model to now include double the magnetic power. Like the XL version, it now holds much stronger. I considered using neodymium magnets, but they would leave scratches, so 2 of these softer ones holds really well. How about the fridge? Or this chest freezer? Or the garage door? Or the bike? It's hanging pretty well off the 3D printer's spool holder. Both the Clean, Dirty, and the Smile Frown magnets are available to buy at the 3D Vibes Facebook store or the Etsy shop. I'll have links in this video's description and more info if you're interested. A quick way to see the magnet at the Facebook store is to just scan the QR code with your phone. Well, thank you everyone for watching the video, and stay tuned for the next one. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. And leaving a like on the video also really helps out. Thank you everyone.